What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I have the flu. I'm feeling a little bit better today. Didn't get much sleep. Had a fever all night. Was sweating bullets. And then I was shivering at the same time. So doing a little bit better today. Had some ginger, lemon, hot water with a little bit of honey. So took some painkillers. We're going to go over our friend Matic. Currently we're sitting at 95 cents, up 2.81 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 7.38 billion. 24-hour volume, 1.43 billion. Let's hop into the charts. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. So we bounced perfectly off our wave 4 pullback box here. You can see I have this box in between the 0.382, the 0.5. Currently making some juicy profits on our Matic long trade as well as our Gala trade. And if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's coming in at the $10 membership. And you can sign up through the Patreon link. I think I'm going to raise it up to about 25 bucks a month at the end of July going into August. But if you get in now at $10 a month, you're locked in. As long as you stay in and you don't exit and try to re-enter, you'll be at $10 a month for as long as you like. But I think I'm going to crank it up here at the end of the month. So take advantage while supplies last. So we've bounced off our wave 4 pullback. Now to measure a wave 5, what you can do is take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 2 up to the top of wave 3, down to the bottom of wave 4. If this is the bottom, of course, we could still come down to the 0.5. That is a possibility here. But you're looking for a 0.618 extension. So you're looking at about $1.08 for your wave 5 to complete that larger wave 3, which is in this kind of light yellow, I don't know what you would call that, like a tan color, where we've come up and this is our larger wave count, wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and looking to complete that 5-wave structure to complete that wave 3 for our friend Polygon. Not too much to update. Everything's been working out perfectly. You can see we perfectly met our wave 3 box here. We got rejected, and we've, as of right now, seen a perfect bounce off our wave 4 pullback, and quite possibly going to start putting in that wave 5. Either that, or we just come down for a little bit more correction, maybe down to the 0.5. See continuation to the upside. The only way to invalidate that is to come down and lose the golden ratio, but as of right now, it's looking pretty good in my opinion. We'll hop over to our next chart, which is here on the daily. Almost met our technical target of $1.16, came very, very close to major resistance of $1.04. That's where I have my take profit for my trade here. Beautiful breakout of our cup and handle, kind of inverse head and shoulders here. So it's looking good. We have the reversal volume, as I've been mentioning here, for Matic. Personally, I think there's one more wave down in the market. I think Matic could come up to, you know, maybe even $1.33, and then Bitcoin will come down and lose 17K in my opinion, but I could be completely wrong, and we'll see Matic either put in a wave 2 pullback or come down and lose this low. Honestly, that's what I would like to see because I want to get more money into my long-term hold. So just a quick little update here for Matic. Let's quickly look at the 1-hour time frame, see what we can see here. On the 1 hours, yeah, so we may be looking at putting in a wave 1 of the wave 5, where we come up a little something like this. This is a wave 1, we come down wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, completing the wave 5 within the wave 3. But as of right now, beautiful bounce off the 0.382, which is a normal retracement level for a wave 4 pullback in between the 0.382 and the 0.5. So we'll see if we can see continuation and come up and break this high, and that gives you more confirmation we're putting in the wave 5 of the wave 3. If we come down to the 0.5, we can still be putting in the wave 4 pullback, a little bit of an ABC, but to me it looks like we may have already gone through an ABC where it came down, we made A, B, C, and now we're seeing continuation to the upside. So hopefully we can come up and break this high. If we roll over, we lose the golden ratio, which is the 0.618, about 68 cents. It invalidates that as a wave 4 pullback. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, making juicy profits on Matic, making juicy profits on Gala. Excuse me. It's only $10 a month, for my exact entries, exits, and take profits. And as I mentioned, most likely it's going to go up to about $25 a month at the end of July here. So if you want early access, if you want to get in at $10, now is your opportunity. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You really can't beat it. You can sign up through the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. That's where I do all my trading. $4,500 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.